Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we're going to learn our new letter, but first I'm going to talk about last week's letter, okay? Remember, this was the letter A for ah. All right, Miss Hendry, in our story to remember that letter was Miss Hendry was walking past the swamp and she was having a good time. And then all of a sudden, an alligator jumped out and Miss Hendry said, ah, because A says ah, ah, ah. Very good. And then we talked about different things that started with the letter A. But today we're going to talk about the letter B. The letter B. Now look at Miss Hendry. She's standing in a beautiful field of flowers. Look at her. She's got some flowers. So she must have been picking some flowers. Uh-oh. And then all of a sudden, here comes a bee. And Miss Hendry said, oh no, it's a B. The letter B says B, B, B. All right, friends. So let's look at some things that start with the letter B. A book starts with the letter B. And of course, since we have this insect right here, a bee in our letter story, we know that starts with B. We have a ball. We have a bag and a butterfly. All right, friends. So remember our story. Miss Hendry's picking flowers. And then all of a sudden, a big bumblebee comes flying at Miss Hendry and she says, it's a bee. Oh no. B says b. Bye, friends.